All right, well, congratulations on getting your LLC for your state. The next step is getting your employer identification number, or commonly known as your EIN. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the IRS website. All right, here's one thing. The thing that annoys me about this is there are companies that will charge you $200-300 just to do this. You'll see how easy this is. So we're going to go to File, and we're going to go to Apply for an Employer ID number. All right, now that we're here, we are going to go to Apply for an EIN. All right, now that we're here, it's just going to give you some information about what an EIN is, some of the restrictions. In your case, you can just hit Begin Application. And then now that we're here, we're going to go to LLC. So click LLC, hit Continue. And this page is just going to tell you what an LLC is. You already know what it is. You already made one. We're going to hit Continue from here. And then depending on how many people are in your LLC, for educational purposes, I'm assuming it's just you on your own. If not, that's fine. But we're just going to do one for now, then put whatever state that you're in. So we'll just do California. And then it's going to ask you to please confirm your selection, and then you're good, because it's just asking you this because you only put one, so it's considered a single member LLC, which is fine. And so you're going to hit Continue again. It's then going to ask you, why are you requesting an EIN? And it's because you started a new business. So let's click Started a New Business, hit Continue. All right, now that you come to this page, you are going to fill out the rest of this. So your first name, last name, and your social security number. And then here you're going to select, choose one. It's going to be, I am the owner of the, or managing member of the LLC. The third party applying, that's for the companies that want to charge you $100, $200, $300 to do this very simple thing. Just going through this all on its own would probably take, I don't know, a minute or two to do this. I can't go through the rest of this just because I'd have to put in my social security number and all that other information, but it's really easy. You just put in your address, the details of the business. It's going to ask you for your articles of incorporation from your state. So that's where you're going to put that as well. And then it's going to give you your EIN. Once it automatically gives you your EIN. Once you have that, print it out, write it down, put it somewhere safe. Do not lose that number, because it is a giant pain to go to the IRS and try and get a copy of it once you've done it. You can do it. It's not the end of the world, but it's going to save you a lot of headache if you just always have that number. Write it down, put it in an email somewhere, just have it available whenever you're looking for it. In fact, it's good to put that on like a Google Drive or something like that, because you need your EIN to open up a bank account. And it's helped me a bunch of times when I go to open up a bank account for my business and they ask for my EIN, and I obviously don't have it memorized. So it's nice to be able to just go on my phone and pull it up, and it's really easy. So don't lose it. It'll make your life a lot easier. But now that you have your articles of incorporation, your EIN, the next thing you're going to want to have, if you don't have this already, is your operating agreement. Now, if you click on the link below, it's going to take you to our website that's going to have a template of how to make an operating agreement with a ton of other information on there that is extremely important for building a business. It'll teach you how to hire somebody, unfortunately, but fortunately, it'll teach you how to fire someone. It teaches you how to do this all within your legal parameters, so you're not going to get sued. You're not going to get in trouble with the state or your county or anything like that. It gives you all the resources you need as a new entrepreneur to be as successful as possible, all for a very small one-time purchase, as opposed to all these other companies that make you pay annual fees and then they hide those documents from you unless you keep paying your annual fees. We will never do that. It's only a one-time purchase. I wish I would have had this when I first started my business. It would have saved me hours and hours and hours of time and headache and a lot of money. Go check it out. Click on the link below, get that operating agreement ready, and let's get your business growing.